Who was that just came in here? It looked like Barbie, but I don't know. Duffy, what are you doing here? Nothing, just looking around. Well, Solo and Arby are outside. Would you like a treat? All right. Guess what? You're in luck. You're a good boy. Well, you enjoy that, okay? They'll be coming back in, then you'll probably have to go, huh? Well, you enjoy that treat, Duffy. Okay? All right. Yummy. Uh-oh. Here comes trouble. Hey, who's that? That's Duffy. He's just getting a treat, Solo. I don't like him in here. Well, you probably just gonna leave in a minute. Okay, you better.